Hey, what's up guys? So I got the new Tesla wall connector. This thing came out about a week ago. I'm gonna replace my existing standard J1772 charger, which I've had for about 7 years now, which has worked perfectly. But one thing that I prefer about the Tesla one is I don't need to use the adapter. And because I have the Model 3 Performance, this thing can charge a little bit faster. It could charge up to 44 miles of range per hour at 11.5 kilowatts. But one thing to keep in mind, if you have the Model 3 standard range, it can't charge at that speed, and then the Model S and X also charge at slightly slower speeds with this specific connector. Alright, let's open this up and let's see what's inside. So you get this beautiful wall charger. This glass plate's really nice. You get this indicator here. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but you get this indicator here. And looking at the back, this thing comes off. There it is. Carefully. Okay, so it comes with the screws to put in the wall and the bit for the screws. So you basically essentially like drill a hole through here or here to run the wires through. So you're gonna need 2 power wires and a ground. So you get a 120 here, 120 here, and a ground here. And yeah, and then you pretty much put some holes through which screw that you wanna actually put the hole through, and then attach this part to the wall, and then you'll put this faceplate on when you're ready. And this is where the plug goes in. So let's actually open up the plug. So yeah, you get this really nice plug. So let me see if I could bring it to the screen. And this thing opens up the charge port. That's the part I love about Teslas, that this thing opens that up. You get a nice Tesla logo. It's nice. The wire is really thin compared to my J1772. It's an 18-foot cable, and this thing's gonna attach right here when it's done. So there it is. So you just kind of like aim it up and then pull it out. Anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That, and you get the instructions. And yeah, so it just tells you how to install it and stuff. And so here's the thing where that light lights up. So if you have a 60 amps hooked up, you're gonna have all the lights on. 50 amps, one less, and so on. So that's how you know. So if you have a Model 3, it could charge up to 44 miles of range per hour. But that's on the long range battery. The Model 3 standard range can only do up to 7.7 kilowatts at 32 amps, which is 30 miles of range per hour. The Model S can go up to 34 miles of range of charging per hour. The Model X can only do up to 30. So keep that in mind. But the cool thing about this is that I do like about this box is that it looks like it'll work with your existing breaker. I currently have the 40 amp, but I'm gonna beef it up. I'm gonna put the 60 amp breaker. I'm gonna put the 4 gauge wires for the power and 6 gauge for the ground, so I could get this full output. But be sure to subscribe because my installation video is coming very soon. But there it is. It could be installed inside, outside. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, although it only supports up to wireless N. And yeah, I'm excited to see what this thing does. As always, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.